Wiggleboo, Wiggleboo. Peek, 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 come and play. Welcome to Candy Island today. Clap, clap, tap your toes. Magic numbers, here we go. One flies high in the sky so blue. Bounce, 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 it says hi to you. Two spins round on candy sweet. Twirl, twirl, twirl with happy feet. Three pops up on blocks so bright. Tap, 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 what a sight! Four peeks out from leafy green. Peek, 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 now it's seen. Five swings low, five swings high. Whee! To the sky. Six slides down so super fast. Zoom, 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 it zips right past. Seven shines up in the clouds. Point, 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 and laugh out loud. Eight spins around, round and round. Dance, 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 all around town. Nine says peekaboo today. TOGO barks and wants to play. 10 glows bright with magic light. Clap, 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 what delight! Candy Island was so fun. We played with every number one. TOGO waves, come back soon. More fun magic coming soon.